Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm with Brad and he's going to be flying the drone for me. I'm going to take the Tandem out for one last high-speed run because I'm going to be taking the battery off the Tandem today to put on another bike. I thought what better way to get one more use out of it than to see if this thing can reach 40 mile an hour, maybe 45. So we're just going to strap, what are we going to strap? So I'm going to strap myself to the bike with a GoPro. Honestly, this thing's so sketchy to ride up big hills. You've got the most narrow handlebars ever. The brakes are shit, it's slippery, but that's what adds to the excitement, so let's get to it. Alright, here we go then, on our maiden voyage. We'll get up the hill first. Times like this I question my choices in life. Still beats being stuck in an office. I can't believe I'm getting paid to ride an electric Tandem down a hill as fast as I possibly can. Hope there's some battery left after going up this hill. That may affect the top speed a little bit, the fact that I've already done a couple of miles on it. And just hope I don't see a police car. At least from here I can see what traffic's coming. I'm going to wait for this van to go. And let's go. Perfect. Let's go. $30, $35, $37, $41, 42, 44, tucking in for aerodynamics, 44.4, come on 45, oh, so close, front brakes failing. Oh man, there's definitely a burning smell. I'm hoping it's not the bike, but it wouldn't surprise me. $44 miles an hour. Oh, I so want to hit 45. Hey. 44. Yeah, so the only thing I could think to get an extra mile an hour or so out of it to hit 45.
Oh, it's rubbing heavy. Yeah, that's it.
Is to disconnect the brake.
Well, it's a terrible brake anyway.
It's a terrible brake. So see, it's actually rubbing now.
It's actually
So if
disabling.
you just ping that out of there.
Well, I could probably fix it right now. It's like, pop that out.
It was disconnected before.
It's just that.
There we go. So obviously it's a much more sensible idea going down a hill at nearly 50 mile an hour with no brakes.
Why not? That's actually fixed though if you want to leave it. You sure? That's rubbing a little bit. Let's take it off.
Yeah, let's take it off. It's more fun with no brakes. Yeah, I want to go again. I mean, if you're doing 50 down a big hill, really just need to disconnect the brakes. It's the most sensible thing, really. Let's go again. Yeah, I reckon this is it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I really hope I don't go into this full car. 28, 32. Oh, closing in on the car in front. 40. Tucking in. 43, 44. Come on. 44.4. Oh man. It just won't go faster than 44.4. Gutted. I thought I might squeeze that extra little bit. Oh mate, 44.4 again, what a shame. I just didn't...
I've had it in sports mode so I could keep up with you.
Really?
Yeah, because it wasn't quick enough really.
What a beast.
Right.
2000 watt tandem, faster than a Mavic Mini 2.
Oh yeah. Where is it?
I've no idea.
That's it.
Not dodgy at all, look, seats loose, no brake. What a beast. Yeah, done with the drone for now, yeah, wicked. Yeah, unfortunately guys, the second run didn't quite hit 45, but really, really close, 44.4 miles an hour. I still think that's an awesome achievement for this absolute beast of a machine. Maybe we'll come back later with throw some more volts at it, or a phase runner, or don't know. Let us know in the comments what you think. And maybe we'll revisit it, trying it 45 if not 50 one day. Anyway guys, that's all we've got time for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you like the video, and we'll see you in a video soon. Take it easy.